Okay, I'm going to do some very basic revision over your angle and shape revision. So if you take down these notes, I'll put a photo up as well, but if you make sure your notes are like mine. Parallel. These are lines that never meet and usually indicated with wee arrows. Perpendicular. These are lines at right angles to each other. So if you draw two lines with wee right angle in. Vertical is this way. Horizontal is flat. Triangles. Isosceles has got two equal sides, indicating three marks like that, and two equal angles. Equilateral, three equal sides and three equal angles. So each angle is going to be 60 because the whole triangle is 180. Scalene, nothing equal. A right angle has got a right angle in it. Quadrilaterals, a square, four equal sides, four right angles. That's the most basic form. A rhombus is like your square squished over, so all equal sides. And in this one, opposite angles are equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal, two right angles. Parallelogram is your rectangle squished over. So if you put like one arrowhead for these sets and then two arrowheads for the other set of parallel lines. A kite. And what's important about a kite is its diagonals meet at right angles. And a trapezium. It's got one set of parallel lines and then two other sides. Compass points. I'm not sure how you can remember, but I always remember it as never eat shredded wheat. And here, north, east, south, west, south, east, north, west. Types of angle. Acute is less than 90 degrees. Obtuse is less than 180, but bigger than 90. And a reflex is under 360, but bigger than 180. So over to the next page, simple angle rules. Triangle adds to 180, quadrilateral is 360, straight line is 180, complete turn is 360. Vertically opposite, what I mean there is this angle equals this one, and these two equal each other. Polygons, pentagons 5 sides, hexagon 6 sides, heptagon 7, octagon 8, nonagon 9, decagon 10. Circle, radius, it's a small word, so it's a small line from the centre to the edge. Diameter is a longer word, it's the whole thing, from side to side through the middle. And circumference is round the outside. 3D shapes, this one I want you to make sure you've got a good understanding. A pyramid goes to a point. So if you draw a square base pyramid, just draw a square a wee bit off centre, like a squished square. Put a point up there. Just join it down to each corner. It's a square base pyramid. A prism is the same shape throughout. So what I mean by that, if you take your square and make it into a cube, it's going to be the same shape throughout. Another one, triangular prism. So I always think of if you were cutting up a cake, everyone could get a triangular slice the same size. So those are prisms, whereas that's a pyramid going to a point. A plan is a bird's eye view looking down. And I'll show you some of this when I'm working through the work with you. An elevation is a side view from far away. Again, you'll see that as we're going through some of the exercises. Now, we're going to work through chapter 33 and 34. So chapter 33 and chapter 34.